Hello! The real innovation is its simplicity, another advantage of IS-1+. The system can be mounted and modified without any requirement for special engineering software, complicated regulations or tools. Almost anything is possible. Horizontal or vertical assembly, vacant positions and pre-configured vacancies, or a last-minute change of modules on site. Starting with the bus rail, the modular and stable system basis. With this, the internal wiring of the system for energy, data and address lines is done. No sensitive backplanes or numerous internal connectors are required. Just snap it into a DIN rail and the installation is complete. The bus rail may be stabilized with terminations, mainly for vertical installations or for environments with strong vibrations like on ships. This is also available with an integrated extension cable for flexible system design on several levels. The CPU and power module for internal system power supply and bus connection is installed as the first module in the system. In case of system redundancy, it is used twice. Like any I/O module, this module can also be replaced during operation while the system is energized. The I/O modules are available with 8 and 16 channels. These are snapped on the bus rail in any desired order. Addressing is done automatically. Zone 1 I/O modules and cost-optimized Zone 2 I/O modules for intrinsically safe and other circuits are available, and all modules can be completely replaced anytime during operation while the system is energized in hazardous area. Connection of field devices is done with conveniently accessible pluggable terminals available in screw or spring clamp version. With the new configurable multifunctional IS-1+ modules, only a few different variants are required. All settings and diagnostics are made with standard tools like GSD or DTM. The field buses like Profibus DP, Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, Ethernet IP and Profinet or FFHSE are quickly and easily connected via connectors. With the new intrinsically safe or optically inherently safe solutions, there are no restrictions with regard to working on the energized system. Of course, redundant systems are supported as well. For more details and examples how such a I/O installation may look like in real life, please contact your local sales representative or visit us on the internet. Thanks and goodbye!